Hello and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we've got a simple Khao Pad dish, and that is Khao Pad Lod Fai, and that translates as special fried rice train style. So this is a Khao Pad that is found of many Thai train lines going across the country. So it's just a simple Khao Pad, darker colour, and it's quite distinctive looking, but simple, but at the same time really good. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to cook Khao Pad Lod Fai, really old Thai traditional dish, right? The ingredient is not much, just the chicken, 100 gram of chicken. Yeah, of course, egg. Yeah, for Khao Pad. Garlic, you smash and just chop the garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic, and onion. Just less than a quarter of onion, just sliced quite thin, half of tomato, spring onion, and spring green, and this one for the taste, black soy sauce, yeah, dark soy sauce, and maggi. Yeah, of course, the cooked rice, one bowl of cooked rice. Now we put the cooking oil to the pan, right, and then when this one hot, put the garlic. Yeah, you fry the garlic first. Yeah, until smell nice. Now you put the chicken, 100 gram of chicken. You fry, mix with the garlic until the chicken cook. Right, when the chicken cook, you put the onion. This one we have sliced. After the chicken have cooked, then we put the egg. Yeah, we fry the egg. And then put a bowl of rice, the one we have prepared.
Khao เก่าเลยใช่ป่ะ
ต้อง have to use ข้าวเก่า
เอาไปได้สองปีข้าวเก่า
Okay, and then put the sauce, maggi. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of maggi, and pinch of sugar, and pinch of salt. Okay, and then half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Okay, and last, put a spring green and tomato in there. Okay, this one very basic of Khao Pad. But some they put the dark soy sauce until become very dark. Okay, and top of black pepper.
Alright, let's give this a go. I'm going to put some chili. This is chopped chili with garlic and fish sauce. A traditional accompaniment to this dish. Oh, that's good. This is a bit of a simpler khao pad, but it's very tasty. Look at all of that. That chili, fish sauce, garlic. So I hope you enjoyed the Khao Pad Lod Fai. Give that a go. It's really easy. Use whatever protein you like. And next time you're in Thailand, give it a go as well. It's a really old traditional dish, and yeah, made popular by train journeys around Thailand. So take care of each other, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.